Hello everybody, tonight we make something special. This is a tradition from my Orsara di Puglia in Italy. It's a pasta fazool with a tomato sauce. And I got over here plum tomato, I got garlic, onion, I was clean up already, I peel off everything. It's everything nice clean. And I got my pasta, this is called Minutes, it's all mixed pasta. And I got my fresh basil. I got basil so much. Now, the cannellini beans, I got already cooked. Last night, I put soak in water. And this morning, I was cook. And like maybe 35, 40 minutes, the beans, it was cooked already. It's everything ready to go. Now, we want to start the chop of the garlic and the onion. The garlic is so fresh, and what I do, I put the knife like this, and chop like that, break the garlic. Now this is my onion, and look inside, how beautiful it is. And you start the chop, and you gotta make sure that the onion and the garlic is so chopped thin. Now, let's start with oil. Now, this is olio di oliva. Okay, let's put this on the stove for the pots. Let's put the onion and garlic. Now, this you gotta cook a little bit. We lower the gas down a little bit. And now we go and we chop the plum tomato. I want to cut on maybe 5 or 6 pieces. And put it right inside over here. Okay, the garlic and the onion is ready. And now it's time for the plum tomato. I was chop. Okay. And on this tomato, I gotta put chop little fresh basil. Because the basil, it give a really good taste for the pasta fazool. Okay, I chop a little basil to give a good taste and a little salt. Now this sauce you gotta cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now the sauce was cooked for 10 minutes. Everybody see nice boil. Now I got the beans. The beans, make sure to not throw away the water. I put extra water when I cook, because I want to put it together with the tomato sauce. Now let me put this close over here. And with the big, look how beautiful this beans. And this it's a fresh, I cook, it's dry beans. Because when you cook yourself, the beans, you got a different taste. Now we give a nice turn, and now this you gotta cook for 10 minutes. Let's push this out over here. And now I got the water boil, okay, it's for the pasta. Now this kind of the pasta, you gotta cook the same, like 10 to 11 minutes. This is called minutes. We put the pasta. Now we gotta leave cook the pasta for 10, 11 minutes. Before we take the pasta out, I want to say something about the story when I was in Italy. We was go early in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, go pick up grapes. After everybody gotta bring the grapes in the city. After you gotta start do the wine. And somebody, old woman like my mother, she was older too, more older than my mother. He was a cook. He was a cook pasta and beans with a white sauce or with a tomato sauce. A lot of oil, baby, a lot of hot pepper, a wine. And the wine, it was the year before, not the wine you make right away. Because you drink the wine right away, it's sweet. After you gotta go, you know where? You got a lot of over here. Now, the pasta fazool, when we was eat, we was put this, 3 or 4 like this, on the middle of the table. Everybody, with a spoon, eat on the same dish. That's the way you're supposed to eat it today too. Like this, it's the best. And you enjoy yourself. Okay, I want to drain the pasta. I want to leave a little bit, not too much water. I got the sauce over there. It's this. We put it back the pasta, back on the stove. And this is the beans. I want to put it right inside over here. Let me make a nice turn with a spoon, these beans. And I want to put the gas on, the liver cook a little bit, maybe 1 minute, minute and a half. Cause the pasta and the beans, it take a really good taste when you do like this. And now we put on right over here in this spasa. Okay, now I want to test my pasta fazool. Okay, let me put a little pecorino cheese on the top. And I want to use my oil baby. Let's see this my oil baby. I just fry now. Look at this. This is the same. I remember when in Italy everybody was making this. Crunchy. Really crunchy. Sweat. This pepper, it make you sweat. I hope everybody like this dish, pasta fazool with a sauce. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you.